Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? Today we are going to start this topic, surface area of a right circular cylinder. So first you have a look about the proper diagram of a right circular cylinder. Okay, so we can say that if we draw the diagram in copy, how it will look like. It will look like something like that. Here. Okay, and if you draw the back side of it, it will be something like that. So this is a right circular cylinder. Now what we have to deal with, the surface area. Now if we talk about the right circular cylinder surface area, it may have two surface areas. First this one, this curved surface, right? And there are two more surfaces. One is this top, and similarly this bottom, which is not visible to you right now. So this is basically the top and this is the bottom of this right circular cylinder. Understood? Okay. Now how to find out it? Okay. What do you think how this cylinder can be made? If I'll take a sheet, a paper sheet, rectangular paper sheet, and then I will fold it like this. Okay, then when I will fold like it will become something like that, and that's what we are talking about. Just that its upper and lower parts are open. Okay, so you can just make a right circular cylinder by properly rounding a sheet or curving a sheet. Okay, this is for one thing. Why we are studying it? Because we have to find out the curved surface area. So if you do this thing, or you'll do it reversely, like if you'll be cutting it from here, okay, removing the top and bottom and cutting it from here, and then made it a sheet, that sheet will be like that. Now it will be having some length and some width. So basically it should have some length and width. So if I multiply this L, which is equals to something, I'll let you know what it is, and this width, which is also equals to something, then we'll get to that what is the surface area of this curved surface. Now this is what? A circle. This is a circle. So this is the periphery. The circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. Is it so? That means this length, because when will we open it, it will be something like that. This side will be complete length. So that will be 2 pi r. This is about the length. Now about the width. Okay. This height, if this is the h, the height of the right circular cone, then the width will be equal to what? H. And if I multiply them, B multiplied by L will be equals to 2 pi r and H. So that will be what? The curved surface area, or you can say the curved surface area of right cylindrical right circular cylinder. Understood? Okay. Have a more clear look of it. Here, what we have done it, we are having this particular right circular cylinder. We just opened this sheet by which it was made, and that was something like H multiplied by L. That was the total curved surface only. Okay, curved surface was H multiplied by L. Now H is this periphery, and which is equals to, if this is r, if this radius is r, then we will get to know that that will be here corrected, that is equals to 2 pi r multiply by the height. Area of a rectangular sheet will be equals to length multiplied by breadth. Now perimeter of base of the cylinder, this is what? Length. This is the length. 2 pi r, this is okay. Okay. Multiply by the width, which is equals to height of cylinder or right circular cylinder. The height is h, so that will become 2 pi r h. Clear? Now remember this formula 2 pi r h, because it is going to be very useful when we were doing the numericals. Okay. Now the curved surface area of a cylinder, right? What? The curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. It's given that this is 2 pi r plus h. How it is something like that? Okay. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder basically? The curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area is this. Okay, this is here written wrong. Mark it as total surface area. Now, how you will be calculating the total surface area? We have calculated this curved surface area. Curved surface area TSA is equals to curved surface area plus top and bottom area. This is the top area, this is the bottom area. Okay, plus top area plus bottom area. Now this for sure you know that CSA or curved surface area of cylinder will be equals to 2 pi r h. Now talking about this is a circle and its surface area. So the perimeter, the area of the circle is pi r square. Similarly, the bottom area is the same, the radius is the same, so that will be pi r square. So that will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now we can take common something, 2 pi r. Okay, we can take this 2 pi r here common. It will be left with h and r. So we can write it 2 pi r plus h as our total surface area, not curved surface area but total surface area of right cylinder cone, right circular cylinder, Okay, so we're done with that. Noted completely. We have come across two formulas. First, the total surface area, and secondly, curved surface area, which is equals to 2 pi r h. Now, it is clear to you? Any confusion in that? No? Okay. Now the question. Okay, the very first question we are talking about is something it is required to make a closed cylinder tank of height 1 meter. Now student, if you are not able to visualize, let me make it more easy to you guys to understand this. Okay, so I am talking again and again about this this rectangular sheet. Okay, now if this is the rectangular sheet and I am going to join it from here, these two edges. Okay, so look here. Now it has become a right circular cylinder, okay, with the top and bottom open, right? This is a circle here, this is we are having a circle, and this is the curved surface. Okay, so this area will be what? The area of this circle formed, and the area of the circle formed is what? If this is the radius, that will be pi r square. So if I am talking about the total surface area, assuming that this and are closed, that means this is pi r square, this is pi r square, and this is pi r 2 pi r h. Okay. Now, if I am opening it, it will become a sheet. This and was what? 2 pi r. Okay, and this was the height of the cylinder here. So basically this is length, which is 2 pi r. Okay, I can say that this is the length, which is equals to, this is the length which is equals to 2 pi r, and this is the height of cylinder, okay, which is length, and this 2 pi r is what? This is width and this is length. Okay, if now I'll be making the cylinder again with that, again you are getting this. Okay, here it is 2 pi r written, 2 pi r here, okay, and that will be length and also the height. So complete with it. Okay, now the question is asking us, it is required to make a closed cylinder tank. How, what kind of tank? Closed circular tank, closed cylindrical tank. So this is the tank. Okay, of height 1 meter. Now the height, if this is the radius, this is the radius, this is some radius, so the height is given 1 meter. Okay, so given h equals to 1 meter. Okay, and the base diameter is 140 centimeter. The diameter is given. The diameter is given. Dia equals to 140 centimeter. This implies that radius will be what? 70 centimeter. Okay, so can I mark it here that the radius will be 70 centimeters. Now what it is telling us, that from a metal sheet, how many square meters of the sheets are required for the same? Okay, so how many square meters of the sheet is required? I have told you about the sheet, the complete sheet. We have to calculate the complete area of the sheet. Okay, so how many square meters? This complete curved surface plus these two surfaces. Okay, so this complete curved surface plus these two surfaces, that means the total surface area. Okay, here the sheet required will be equals to total surface area of right circular cylinder. This is not the RCC, this is the right circular cylinder. Okay, that is equals to, we are talking about the whole, that will be 2 pi r, r plus L. Now this is r and this length is what? This height is what? Length, or you can say h. Here we are writing h. Okay, so putting the values. Now this is in the meter and this is the centimeter. I have told you to be very specific about the units. So that will be 100 of centimeters, right? Okay, so that will be 2 pi. Now value of pi will be writing 22/7 pi multiply by r. Now r is 70, then r plus h. Now r is 70 and h is 100. Okay, so that will be by 10, 44, and this 0 here, plus multiply by this 170. Okay, you can calculate it here, and 4, so 28, 6, 68 again, 748. Okay, so 748 and these two zeros here. Okay, this in centimeters, centimeter square, and it's talking about how many square meters. So this you have to be taken care of. Okay, so that will be 1 2 3 4. Okay, and that will be your answer. Understood it? That will be your answer for sure. Okay, noted. Now the next question. Next, you are having a metal pipe which is 77 centimeters long. This is what? 77 centimeters long. Okay. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Okay, and the outer is being 4.4 centimeter. So here is having two things. One is inner and the second is the outer. So here is having one more cylinder. Let's suppose here. Inner and outer. So this inner, if we talk about this inner, and if we talk about this outer, so this inner is 4 centimeter, the diameter is given, that means 2 centimeter inner, and if we talk about the outer diameter, that is 4.4, that means 2.2. Diameter 1 equals to 2.2 and diameter 2 equals to 2. Okay. Now find its inner curved surface area. Now interesting. Let's suppose we are having two sheets here. Okay. So we are having basically two sheets here. The first sheet and the second sheet. Obviously this is 4.4 centimeters and let's suppose that will be 4 centimeter. So one is somewhat smaller than that, and then I'll be making right circular cylinder from this first and then from this also, the second one, right? Okay. Now according to question, this is inside this. This is inside this, like that. This is having 2 centimeter diameter and this is having 2.2 centimeter diameter radius. This is having 2 centimeter radius and this is having 2.2 centimeter radius. Okay. Now it's talking about the total surface area. Now total surface area is what? If you are talking about the inner surface area, the inner surface area is this complete area, and it's open or closed. Nothing is given. So if you are talking about total surface area of inner cylinder, that will be the complete this area and this area. It's talking about the inner curved surface area. That means this area it's talking about, excluding these two. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll make these two cylinders. The first one is here and the second one is here. It's having 2 centimeter and it's having radius 2.2 centimeter. Okay, this is the inner one and this is the outer one. Inner curved surface area, this is area. Okay, so I am talking about only inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area is what? Nothing but, we have talked about it, 2 pi r h. Okay, so inner curved surface area will be equals to 2 pi r h. In this case 2 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, radius r. Radius r is what? For inner it is 2 centimeter, right? And then h is given 77. This was given 77 centimeters. So units are same, so we need not to worry about that. So it will cut by this 11 times. Now that will be 4, and 12 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 11, which is 88 multiplied by 11. Okay, now 88 and 88 again, so that will be 968 in centimeter square. Right? So that will be our what? Inner curved surface area. Okay, done with that. Then the outer curved surface area. Okay, outer curved surface area, that was 2.2 centimeters, and that was having this 77 centimeter. Now the outer curved surface area will be equals to what? The formula will be the same, that will be 2 pi r h. Now value of 2, okay, 2 pi 22 by 7 r, the radius, in this case this is 2.2. So we'll be having this value 2.2, and the height, which is 77. Okay, solve it. That will be here 44 multiplied by 2.2 multiplied by 11, and you're going to solve it and you will be getting your answer. Okay, note it students.